Hi, so today we are at the Gateway Hotel, Ambad in Nashik. So this is a Taj property over here, and the room trip which I am going to give you is for the executive room. So this is the entrance from where we come in, and then this is the room. So as we enter over here, so on the right hand side we have a cupboard, and there is an ironing board and iron and a few spaces to keep your luggage or shoes. Then besides that we have this another big space to keep your clothes. There are a few pillows, there is a safe, a place to keep your baggage, and on the left hand side you have this washroom. A separate glass partitioned bathing area and a wash basin area. So let's see what all do we have here. We have a soap, normal things that we get at Taj. We like a dental kit and a shaving kit, a disposable bag, a moisturizer, hand wash. From here we enter the room. The room is quite big. It is the executive room, so it has a king bed. There's a bedside table, a separate sitting area, a working desk, a television, and let's see what do we have over here. Okay, so we have two complimentary bottle of water and all the necessary things to get your coffee or tea. And then besides that we have a mini fridge which is empty. The room is quite big enough and very clean and tidy. Obviously it's a Taj. So we had requested them for a courtyard view room. So let's see what is outside. Okay. So I see a lot of greenery over here. There's some parking lot that I can see. It's cloudy today here in Nashik. And there I can see the glimpse of the Zen garden. Let me just zoom in. If you see, there's a pond over here. A decent view, I would say, from the room. So yeah, so that's it about the room, about this property.